Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I will show you how to slice a bell pepper into slices. So first wash the pepper. I already washed it before making the video. So now I'm going to cut it in half. And now cut off the stem and the membrane with the seeds. So membrane is the part that the seeds are attached to. So I'm just going to cut out this part, and it will take care of both the stem and the membrane. So see, all the seeds are getting thrown out. And now you can cut off more membranes. So it's this, and this, the parts that the seeds are attached to. And to cut off this part, you can slice it in half so it's easier to get to. And now cut this off. So now the membranes are gone, and whatever seeds remain, you can just scoop them out with a spoon. So I'm just scooping it out into the garbage. And I will repeat with this part. So I will cut off the stem and the membrane, and the seeds are getting removed together with this, and cut off this membrane, and now cut it in half and cut this off. And this half doesn't have any more seeds left, but if they were, let's scoop them out with a spoon. And now so you have quarter of the peppers, and slice them into slices. Super easy. And that's it. Perfectly sliced bell pepper. See how easy it was? For more easy recipes and cooking tips, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!